Your videos have failed to perform very well on your channel due to your YouTube thumbnails. A lot of YouTubers failed to understand that what makes your videos to actually perform well or go viral is actually not just the title or the video itself, but rather the thumbnails. Your thumbnail is what will increase your click-through rate, meaning your thumbnail is what the people get to see first, even before they watch that video. So if your thumbnail is what people get to see first, then why can't you design an amazing thumbnails for each videos you post here on YouTube? So in 2 minutes, I'll be guiding you practical steps on how to design your thumbnails for free and then how to apply it to your YouTube videos. And this will enable you gain more visibility on your channels. Now, whenever people visit your channel, this is how your channel is supposed to look like. Do you see those amazing, captivating thumbnails? People will even want to click and see what is inside. Even though they click and watch halfway, it is still better than them not even watching that video at all because you failed to use amazing thumbnails for those videos. Now, let me share my screen and then show you how this actually works. We are using ChatGPT and it is free. You don't need prompts. I'm going to tell you how to do this, the prompting, okay? So when you open your ChatGPT just like this, the first thing you just need to do is give it a prompt like this. Tell it that my YouTube video title is how to build a YouTube video thumbnail like a pro, meaning give ChatGPT the title of your video. That's the number one thing you are going to do. Then you now say, please, you now continue by saying, please give me a thumbnail prompt. A thumbnail prompt. Now, when you give it this command, just go ahead and hit the send button. In case you've not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. It is actually very important to me. Okay, thank you. So now when you click on it, you can see we now have thumbnail prompts. Now let's go through this thumbnail prompts, because if it is not okay, you can now make some little adjustment. For example, say it says design a professional YouTube thumbnail with what? With a 16.9 aspect ratio. YouTube scaling ratio is 16.9. okay. Use my photo on the left side with a confidential facial expression pointing at a laptop or smartphone phone screen, displaying as attractive YouTube thumbnail design. Change my outfit to a clean white shirt while keeping my face unchanged. The background should feature a blur YouTube studio dashboard and a colorful thumbnail editing workspace. Add the YouTube logo and red arrow pointing to the thumbnail on the screen. Make the text build pro thumbnails bold and highly visible using white and yellow color with a black outline. Add glowing effect around the thumbnail to make it stand out and give the entire design a premium professional look suitable for YouTube tutorial channel. Now, after you've done this, then we copy it and then we paste it in the search bar. Okay, so when you click it in the search bar, we are going to be adding our photo. You must have snapped yourself, okay? So when you click on that plus button, it's going to ask you, do you want to pick your photo from camera, from photo, from file, or from plugins? So we are picking our photo, our picture or image from photos. So it will bring you to your gallery. Pick the photo you want to use and click on add. As simple as that. So after you've added your photo, then you will see there's a blue arrow at your bottom right, okay? Go ahead and click on that arrow, okay? Now you wait for some seconds for it to generate. As you can see, you are not the one that writes the prompts. Do you see it now? All you just need to do is come to ChatGPT, tell him or tell it what your video title is. So when you tell it what your video title is, just then you add that, give me the prompts. Okay, in short, maybe you see another that thumbnail you like, you can screenshot that thumbnail, bring it to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to give you the prompt of that thumbnail. For example, assume you like my thumbnail, you can screenshot it and ChatGPT will give you the exact prompt I use for my thumbnail, and you can just edit it and put your own details, and voila, you will have a thumbnail. So now it's creating our thumbnail. Let's give it some seconds and the thumbnails will be created. You can see it's almost done. So in case you've not hit the subscribe button, please hit the subscribe button. Now you can see how beautiful this thumbnail look like. You can see not too much write up, just 3 words: build pro thumbnail. Simple. You don't need to put many of you will put plenty words, which is wrong. So let's touch the thumbnail to view it, so you can see how the thumbnails look. Very simple and professional, right? Now for you to download this thumbnail to because you need this thumbnail to get it to, you want to use it now. So for you to download it, at your top right, click on that download arrow and now you have downloaded it. Now let's apply it on our video. So open your YouTube video, okay? Now click on the down button. You'll see plus button down. Click on it. It will bring you to your gallery. So when it brings you to your gallery, let's look for the video we want to upload with our thumbnail, okay? So now, okay, let me pick this video, then click on next, okay? So when you click on next, one of the biggest mistakes you can make our video now, okay? Now, look at the plus, look at that icon at your top left. Click on it and it will bring you here. Again, you can now pick your thumbnail, okay? And then click on next. Now, automatically, you have just put your thumbnail, you have just applied thumbnail on your video. So stop uploading boring videos without putting thumbnails, okay? You can see step 1, make your video. Step 2, go to ChatGPT and generate your thumbnail. Step 3, come back to YouTube app and then upload your video with thumbnail. It is as easy as that. This one, you don't need to say, I don't know how to generate YouTube. YouTube is one of the platforms you don't just post anyhow video. You have to use all idea at your disposal. Nice descriptions, nice title, nice tagging, nice thumbnails. These are things that will make your own YouTube videos to stand out. Remember, you are not the only one posting videos on YouTube. There are thousands of people every day, if not millions of people every day, uploading on their channel. So tell me what you think those people are doing differently that you are not doing. So in as much you want to stand out, you want to be extraordinary, then you must learn to go extraordinary. YouTube videos sometimes can take you 24 hours in preparing it. So why prepare 24 hours video and still make it look like as if you just as if you did not do anything at all? All right. So this is how in short, my duty as a coach is to help you guys grow. So which means if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I will teach you YouTube tips, Facebook tips, and video editing tips. So which means my channel is just a good channel for you and I've got you covered. So in my next video, if you want me to do any teaching or you want me to do anything, you can just go to comment section and say, sir, this is what is bothering me. Can you create a video on a particular maybe you are having any challenge and you want me to do a video on that? I will do it for you. Okay, so see you in my next video. Thank you.